and descending means the biggest to smallest. So you've got these numbers there, you just have to put them in order of size, smallest to the biggest. And today I'm just going to ask you all for contributions. Okay, so let's go to Ara for this one. Check on how Ara is getting on.
I got A.
Hi Ara, can you hear me?
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I worked out and I think A is the answer.
A is the answer. Okay, good. So let's have a look. So A is 5, 13, 18, 23, 54, 67, 89, 117, 374, and 716. Okay, well done. And just hang on, Ara, for a second. While you're here, let's go to the next one. So a series of numbers is shown below. Put these numbers in ascending order, smallest to biggest again. Have another go. Take your time, there's no rush.
It's not A.
Did you say A?
No, it's not A.
Okay, sure. Take your time.
I think it's B.
B, okay, explain why.
Actually, no, it's not, because 376 is before 494, I think.
Okay.
So is it C?
Okay, good girl. Well done. Okay, so what happened then with the homework? Did you not log in with the dad's email address?
A.
A. Okay, yeah, A makes sense. Well done, Nora. Thank you very much for your contribution. Thank you. Well done. Okay, just mute yourself. Let's go to Ayan for the next one.
Hello?
Hello, Ayan. You all right?
Hello. Yeah, I'm all right. How are you?
Excellent. Well, very good, Ayan. Thank you.
Okay.
So, Ayan, the next question, again, put these numbers in order, smallest to the biggest, so ascending order, in other words. So take your time.
Okay. Is it B?
Let's have a look. So 5, 17, 44, 107, 131, 218, 289. Yes, it is. Ayan, stick around. Let's do one more, smallest to biggest. Go on then, have a go at this one.
D.
Okay, let's have a look at this one. So question number 5D looks right to me as well. Well done. Good boy. Thank you very much for your contribution, Ayan.
All right.
Thank you. And let's go to Philomena. See if Philomena's system's working. Hi, Philomena. Just unmute yourself a second. Can you do that? Hi, Philomena. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I want to see how it's going.
Oh, this Philomena. Okay, yeah. You know what, Philomena?
Yeah.
When I'm supposed to say Jessica, I always end up saying Philomena.
Oh.
Why do I say that? I don't know. It's just that name I told you when you first met me, that name is very special.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So are you going to answer this, or is Jessica going to answer this question?
Yes.
Is Jessica there, Philomena?
She's going.
Okay, Philomena, you broke up there. I couldn't hear a word that you were saying. Is Jessica not there?
Jessica is there because I'm not home.
Ah, okay. Okay, I see what you mean. All right then.
You
Well,
can see her.
no, I've only got you registered here at the moment. not
Oh,
Jessica.
okay. Let me see. Let me go off.
Okay, there's no problem. No problem. Thank you. All right, so see how important these lessons are. Even parents want to contribute, hey? Okay, let's go to Alexandra. Okay. Hi, Alexandra.
Hi.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Good girl. Okay, so the value of the number 4 in the digit 408 is hundreds. Is this true or false?
It is true.
It is true, because 4 stands for 400. You're right. So just hang about, Alexandra, and have a read of the next question.
The value of the number 4 is in the digit 347 is hundreds. Is this true or false? This is false.
This is false. Why do you think it's false?
Because the hundreds is 3 and the 4 is in the tens. So yeah.
Excellent answer. Well done. Okay, and one more. The value of the number 4 in the digits 41 is tens. Is this true or false?
It is true.
It is true. Well done. Thank you, Philomena. Alexandra, for your contribution. Well done. You answered 3 questions there. Okay, and let's go to Barbara. Hello, Barbara.
Hello, how are you?
Very well. You?
Yeah, I'm fine, thanks.
Excellent. All right, just read the question for us, Barbara.
The value of the number 4 in the digit 5,478 is thousands. Is this true or false? It's false because the 4 is in the hundreds column.
Exactly. Well done, Barbara. And try the next one for me as well.
The value of the number 4 in the digit 64,098 is thousands. Is this true or false? It's true because the number 4 is in the thousands column.
Yeah, well done, Barbara. Thank you very much. And thanks for your contribution, Barbara. I'll come back to you later. And we are now moving on to question number, let's see, where are we? 11. So we pretty much moved pretty quickly through these already. Let's go to Meda for the next one. Hi, Meda. Just unmute yourself, please.
Oh, sorry.
How you been? Okay, do you want to read the question?
The value for in the digit. The value of the number 4 in the digit. The
4 million.
value of the number 4 in the digit
4,987,000.
987,321 is in the millions. Is this true or false? This is true.
Good girl, well done. And while you're here, do the next one for me as well.
The value of the number 4 in the digit. I can't really read the digit because it's blocking the.
Oh, sorry. You've got something blocking your way. Oh, by the way, if you've got something blocking your screen, like, for example, it might be a chat box, or it might be my face, or it might be something else, you can just drag it across if you want to, okay? But can you see this now?
Yeah.
Okay,
The
go ahead.
value of the number 4 in the digit 6,045 is in the tens of thousands. Is this true or false? This is true.
So the number 4, which is here, what will that be? So The value of the number 4 in the digit 6,045. 45 is 10 thousands.
No, false.
No, false. And why would that be false? Because the 4 stands for?
45, which is in the tens.
Exactly. So that's in tens. Well done. And that will be false. Okay. Thank you, Meda, for that. Thank you. Just mute yourself. I will go to a couple of people I want to go to. And let's go to Usaid for the next one. So Usaid, hi there. Hello, Usaid.
Hello.
How are you? Are you okay?
Yes.
Good. Is your internet working right now?
Yeah.
Good lad. Okay, go on. Go ahead. Read the question for us.
A series of numbers is shown below. Put these numbers in order of size from the smallest to the largest. Then choose the correct option.
Okay, take your time with this.
I think the answer is A.
Answers A, let's have a look. So 2.34, 2.43, 3.24, 3.42, 4.23, and 4.32 looks good to me. Well done. And we'll get you to do the next one as well as say, read the question.
A series of numbers is shown below. Put these numbers in order of size from the smallest to the largest. Then choose the correct option.
Yeah, so take your time with this one. Have a good examination of the questions.
I think the answer is B.
B, and let's have a look, shall we? So,
No.
six,
Oh, yes.
no? Sure?
Yeah.
You want to change your mind?
No.
Okay, let's double check this then. So 6.64, 6.642, 6.7, 6.704, and 6.741 sounds right to me. Good, well done. Thank you, Said, for that one. And let's go to, for the last one, shall we go to Elena for the last one?
Okay.
Hi, Elena.
Hello.
Can you read the question?
A series of numbers is shown below. Put these numbers in order of size from the smallest to the largest. Then choose the correct option.
Whenever you're ready, Elena, let me just move this up for you, make it easy for you.
Okay.
If you do have, anybody does have like a tablet at home or a computer which is like touch screen, you can always zoom in as well if you want to from your side, okay? Just in case if you had that option. If not, just ask me and I'll zoom in myself and make it bigger. So
Was this in ascending order or descending order?
order of size from the smallest to the largest, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ascending.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. I would say C.
C, let me check. So 102, 108. So you see how I'm doing this? What I'm doing is I'm not using the decimals just to make it easy for me to examine it. So 102, 108, 1002, 1008, and 1020. Yeah?
Yeah.
So good stuff. This is done. Well done. So that was the last question. So 15, and we're just going to move on to the next exercise now, which was also in Year 9 Maths, multiplying. do make sure you have a look at watch the video first, right? It's only a couple of minutes long, and it will give you a good introduction to the topic, and then you'll know what to do, okay? So while you're here, Elena, it's a pretty easy one.
Is that 10?
Yes, so let's just put that in. So pretty straightforward. Have a go at that one as well.
100?
100, why will it be 100?
Because 7 moved to the left 2 decimal places from, I don't think I explained that right.
Okay, yeah, so for example, if it's multiplied by 100, that means you can move the decimal point to the right twice, right?
Yeah.
So, and then it will just be 7. So yeah, that's right. Good, well done, Elena. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And you can put yourself on mute. Let's go to, who are we going to next? Jessica. Yeah, Jessica. Okay, Jessica's here. Hi, Jessica.
Hi,
How are you doing? Are you right?
good. How are you?
Yes, very well. Thank you, Jessica. So I'm glad you're here. And I was going to ask Mum before she was about to answer your question. Okay, so with this one, were you okay with the homework, Jessica?
Yeah.
Okay, good girl. And you can do any of the questions in the platform, but the 2 specific links or 3 links that I send you via email, just make sure you always do them first, all right?
Okay.
Good girl. Okay, so what do you think will be here? So without using calculator, fill in the missing numbers. So 6 times what number do you think will be 6,000?
1,000.
1,000. And give me an explanation why that's the case.
Because on the end of 6,000, it has 3 zeros and 1,000 has 3 zeros.
Excellent. Fantastic. Well done. And how about this one? Take your time. Let me know what you think about the next one. So you can move the decimal points to the right in this case, because this is multiplication. And we need to make the answer 70. Would you like some help? Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm just working.
Okay. Sure. Go ahead. No problem at all. There's no rush. The rest of you, when you, I mean, a lot of you are actually going to be breaking up for school very soon, if you haven't done so already. Some of you are breaking up, I think, this Friday, which is tomorrow. Some of you will be breaking up next week on Tuesday or Wednesday.
Is it 1,000?
1,000. Okay, let's have a look. Let me actually work this out, Jessica. All right, so let's have a look. So 0.07. Now, because you're saying multiplied by 1,000. Okay, now 1,000 has 3 zeros. So let me see if our decimal point can move to the right 3 times and make 70. Let's have a look. So once, twice, and 3 times. That's where the decimal is going to go. And in the middle, in the gap, we just put a 0. Okay, and you can even put a 0 at the end as well after the decimal if you want. So that will be 70 written as 70, or it could be 70 written as 70.0. They're both exactly the same. So you're right. This answer is 1,000. Okay, good. My email system has popped up. I don't know whether you can see that or not. Let me get rid of it. Okay, that's gone. All right, so let's just put that in, shall we? Okay, and we're now having a look at the next one. Thank you very much, Jessica. Let's go to Sahil. Hello, Sahil, are you right?
I'm good, how are you?
Yes, very good, thank you. Thanks for asking. So we're on question number 5 now. And question number 5 is saying 6.9 times 10.
It would be 69
69, and how did you work that one out?
because the 10 has 1 0 in the end. You move decimal point 1 column to the right, which is 69.
Well done, good. And how about this one?
5,200 because on the 100 there's 2 zeros, so you add the 2 zeros onto the end of 52.
Brilliant, well done. Thank you very much, Sahil. Thank you. And let's go to somebody else who hasn't contributed yet. I think everybody has actually, have they? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so let's go to this one. Now this one says 18,000 times by 500. So there's a little bit of calculation working out required here. Who would like to contribute for this question? I'll leave it open for you. And remember, we're doing this without using a calculator, okay? Doesn't matter if you get the answer wrong, don't worry. We're just trying to contribute as a team exercise here as well, all right? Let's go to Barbara. Hi, Barbara.
Yeah.
Did you work this out without a calculator?
Yeah, I worked out yesterday on paper. I think the answer was 9 million.
9 million. Does it have 6 zeros?
Yeah.
Okay. And how did you work it out yesterday?
I used the column method.
Column method? Should we
Yeah.
try it? Let's see if you're right. Okay. So 18,000. And now some of you are going to have slightly different techniques of working this out. All right. Some of you might even be using a grid method. I'm not sure. But I'm just going to use a column traditional method because it's easier that way. And say, for example, if you are not sure how to do the column method properly, then leave a message in the private chat box for me, okay? And I'll arrange something whereby I can show you how to do a column method as well. Because I think it's very, very important at this stage to learn how to do column method. Because sometimes with the grid method, there could be a chance of getting the answer wrong. So let's do 0 times 0 is 0. Now we're going to the left, okay, because we always go from right to left. So 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. Because whenever you multiply a number by 0, what's the answer?
0.
Exactly. All right, so now I'm going to put an X there, all right? The reason I'm going to put an X there is because I don't want you to confuse you even more with putting more zeros on because the answer is full of zeros. But otherwise, you don't have to put an X there. You can just put a 0 there in its place. So now we've done this number, so cross it out. Now we're going this way. So 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. Can you see that I've got an extra 0 there now? Now, we've done this one, cross this out, put 2 X's or 2 zeros in its place, which now shows that we've done 2 numbers and we're now coming to the third number. So now we're going to go this way. So 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 again is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8 is 40. So it's 0 again, because we're going to carry forward the 4. 5 times 1 is 5. And then you add this 4 at the bottom, and it gives you 9. Okay. Let me just rub this out at the bottom because we're just going to add this up now. Now we need to add up the columns. So what I usually do is I just put a line there just to make it easy for me knowing where the numbers go, because sometimes if there's an overlap, it gets a little bit tricky. So 0 add X's is 0. zeros add x is 0, zeros, 0, 0, 0, and at the end finally we have 9. So because we've got 9 at the end, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've actually got 6 zeros at the end there. So that does make 9 million. You're right, Barbara. Well done. Okay, so let's just stick 9 million there. So a million is 9 and 6 zeros. Okay, so if I said to you, write down 54 million, then all you're going to do is write 54 and 6 zeros at the end. If I said write down 505 million, you will just put down 505, so 505, and just stick 6 zeros at the end. That's how you do million figures, okay? Okay, so again, we've got a slightly bigger question here. So 6,000 times by 210. Work this out now, all of you, on a piece of paper, and then send me the answer in the chat box. And just do it manually. Please don't use a calculator, right? Yeah, and Alexandra, the method that you put down on the chat box is correct as well. Well done. So 6,000 multiplied by 210. Give you another few seconds. Okay, let's go to Alexandra for this one. Alexandra, you want to explain to us how this was done?
How I did it was I multiplied 6 by 21 first. So I got 126 from that. And because there are 4 zeros, it would be 10,000. So I multiplied 126 by 10,000 and I got 126. 1,260,000.
Yeah, so 1,260,000. So your figures are absolutely right the way you calculated it. You did it in a quick mental arithmetic format as well, and it's perfectly fine. And because after the 1 you have 6 digits, that means that's going to be a million. All right. So if you have one number, and then after that one number you have 6 digits, and those digits could be anything, it doesn't have to be 0, then you know that that's a million. So well done for that. Good working out. Good. And let's go to this one. Alexandra, as you're online at the moment, have a go at the next one. Question number 9.
This one's 2.
And why is it 2?
Because if you times 2 by 10, it would be 20. So this is technically that, just it's a decimal point. So.
Exactly. So even if it's like this, for example, 0.2 multiplied by 10. So when you multiply, the decimal moves to the right because there's only 1 0. So if that were to go there, okay, then you can always put a 0 at the end. So that makes it 2.0, which is exactly the same as 2. So yeah, good. So 2 will be the answer here. Okay, thanks for that, Alexandra. And let's move on to the next one. have a go at this. Let's go to Meta. Hi Meta, by the way, you got that previous question right about the million one, so well done for that. So which number is 10 times as large as 25? So to work this one out, what are you going to multiply 25 by?
10.
Exactly. So what would be 25 times 10?
250.
Good girl. Well done. Okay, thanks for that, Mida. And let's go to Arwa. Arwa for the next one. Just read the question, Arwa, please.
Which number is 100 times as large as 93? Is it?
I'll show you the options. There you go.
C. 9,000.
C?
Yeah.
Okay, well done.
9,300.
Good. And have a look at the next one, Arwa.
For a school concert, chairs are put out in rows of 10. How many will be needed for 16 rows? 160. B.
Yeah, good. So you're just multiplying them together, aren't you? Good. Okay, thanks, Arwa. We'll come back to you later. And this one is slightly word problem type question. So how much do 10 chickens cost at £2.99? And let's go to a side for this one.
The answer is £29.90.
And how did you work this one out, Said?
Because I moved the decimal place 1 point to the right.
Okay, sounds good to me. Yeah, sounds good. And have a go at this one as well. A school buys calculators for £2.45 each. How much will 100 cost?
£245, as you move the decimal place 2 times to the right.
Good luck. Thank you very much, Said. And we're just going to go to one last one. Let's go to Elena for the last one.
Okay. A shop bought 1,000 bars of chocolate for 43 pence each. How much did they cost altogether? £430 each. No, altogether, which is B.
Yeah, and you know, did you do this question mentally in your head?
Yeah.
And when you quickly worked this out, how did you actually work it out mentally in a sense whereby you were confident with the answer?
I moved the decimal place 3 places to the right.
Okay, good, because you're multiplying by 1,000, 3 zeros.
Yeah.
Good stuff, well done. Excellent.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was it. Now let me just give you a quick lowdown of what's happening next lesson. So I'll email the homework to your parents tonight, and that's for Sunday night to do, so you've got a bit of time. And for next lesson, we'll be doing some more English. Now, we looked at punctuation last week. I'm not sure if it helped you or not in terms of direct speech and the, what we did last time around, but we'll do a little bit more of that. Actually, next for Sunday, you've got comprehension, apologies, which includes punctuation, all right? We've got a bit of comprehension to do as well for Sunday. It's not too hard, but quite a few questions to answer and text to read as well. So everybody, thank you very much. I'm going to stick around for 2-3 minutes because we finished a few minutes early. If you've got any questions for me, or you need to ask me any question with regards to work or anything else, then just stick around, right? Otherwise, the rest of you can go and I'll catch up with you on Monday. Meda, where are you? Are you in the Mediterranean? Okay. Good. Let's talk to Meda quickly. Hamida, where are you?
I'm at the beach.
At a beach. Okay.
It's in my dreams because I wish I could be there, but I can't.
Excellent. All right. Very good. You know, Jessica is here as well. Did you realize that?
Yeah.
Jessica. Good. Good. Okay. So for you who want to speak to me quickly, stay. The rest of you can go, and I will catch up with you on Monday. All right. Thank you so much. Take care. Meda, you want to talk to me?
Yeah. Are we gonna get homework for the holidays? As in, like,
Yeah.
doing
Yeah.
now?
No more homework. By the way, you did homework yesterday, didn't you?
Yeah, I think so.
You did quite well.
Thank you.
Did Mum get my scores? The email that comes later on, late at night
Yeah.
when I actually mark it.
Mum said if I don't get 85%, then we'll have to keep on retaking the test.
Did she get the emails that give her the results
Yeah.
from me? Excellent. Yeah, I mean, that's what I was saying to before. In fact, it's something that I forgot to say, that if you have, you don't have to do one attempt. You can do 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts if you want to. So if you had a low score first time round, have another go. Have another go, because all I'm going to do is I will take your final attempt into account. So if you had 3 attempts, I would only send Mum over the final attempt of your score. All right? Okay.
Normally, Mum's at work and I do it. So I would tell her I got this much, and she said, she would say, oh, it's too low, or okay, that's good, and then I would just do it again or not do it again.
So you signed on by yourself?
Mum, yeah, because
Okay.
Mum saved the password.
Excellent. All right. Well done. Good girl. Thank you. And I like your background scenery, by the way.
Thank you.
Okay. You take care, all right? I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Thanks. Thanks. Bye-bye. Bye.